Here's how to check which Xbox you have, Series S or Series X. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the main settings of your Xbox. Once you're already on the main settings of your Xbox, you will be able to see there this option. You can go ahead and go to the system options, go to the console info, and you will see there the name as well as the serial number. So on the serial number, you can search it on Google, Safari, or Chrome. What serial number is Series S or Series X? Next is, you can go ahead and check at the very bottom of your Xbox device. You will see there the model or serial number, and you can go ahead and check is it Series S or Series X. The next thing that you can go ahead and check is the difference between them. Series S is much larger than Series X, and that is how to check which Xbox you have between Series S or Series X.